box was addressed to my sister, but I just can't help myself because, you know, it's a box and we're cats and Jack, look, more boas. Woohoo. Jack, come here. I know you can't help yourself. No, you really like the purple one. But Jack, we got more. Look. Come on. Come check it out. Oh my goodness. You are going to be the most well-dressed cat ever. See, you like feathers. Michelle knows that cats like feathers. What do you think? I'm thinking you can't help yourself. You just can't help yourself. Oh, and now your sister's coming in to see what's going on. Ellie. Oh, that's Ellie. Oh, they heard the call of the wild, which would be the dad with the plate. Look what you got. You got more presents. Oh boy.
What have you got? Look at this.
Oh
my gosh. What is that?
Oh, it's a pink one. You are going to be styling.
Pink one.
Oh, maybe we should try the...
And look, Ellie.
Ellie, more bones.
Ellie, we got bones for you. Take it to your bed.
Ellie, you might want to try on your white boa. Oh, look at me. I'm styling. And guess who's back because he wants to wear the pink one. I hate to say it, but you know, I'm that kind of guy. I kind of got attached to the purple one, but you know, I could maybe do another color. Oh, Dad fell over something. Wait. Oh, wait, Ellie's. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, Ellie wants to go two-tone tonight.
There you go.
Oh, pretty girl, pretty Ellie. Oh, I got my bone. I got my boas. Life is good. Ellie, come here, honey. Oh, and look, you got the rope too. Ellie, look. Ellie, more toys.
Look.
Ellie. Oh, I like this one. Oh, thank you, Michelle. Thank you to my fairy godmother in Rhode Island. She sends the coolest stuff. I have so much fun opening goodies. Oh boy, thank you so much. Oh, and guess who's back? See, I knew you wanted to get into the boa. You can't help yourself, can you? Oh, look at this. I'm deciding which one I like better. And guess who's right behind me? Oh, look at that. I've got another tutu. Oh boy. Careful, Jack. Ellie, you're just, oh my goodness, you're having so much fun. We'll make one more attempt at dressing Jack up in the boa, just because, you know, we can. So I think Jack's gonna wear the white one. Let's give it one more shot here, Dad. Oh, Jack. Whoa. You're a styling cat, Jack. Oh, bubble wrap too. Oh, bubble wrap and a boa. And a box. It's going to be Jack in a box. What are you doing? Ellie, you're having fun. Oh, I got feathers in my mouth. I hate when that happens. But I'm having a good time. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, now Allie's coming in. Oh, everybody wants to be part of the party tonight. We're having fun. Thank you so much. We love feathers.
Yeah.
Oh, Jack, what do you think? Oh, bubbles and boa. I'm having a good time. And so's Ellie. Happy Ellie. You're next. Woo! Bye-bye, Jack.